Hey guys, go to YouTube. Salamania here. Good news, great news. GAO, as the Government Accountability Office, is now investigating the Department of Homeland Security on its ammo purchases. USA News. There we go. Look at this. The Government Accountability Office tells Whispers is now investigating large ammunition purchases made by the Department of Homeland Security. Chuck Young, a spokesman for the GAO, says the investigation of the purchases is just getting underway. The Congressional Investigative Agency is jumping into the fray, just as legislation was introduced in both the Senate and the House to restrict the purchase of ammo by government agencies, except the Department of Defense. The Ammo Act, introduced Friday, would prevent agencies from buying more ammunition if stockpiles are greater than what they were in previous administrations. Don Horder, a spokesman for Senator Jim Inhofe, Republican, Oklahoma, who introduced the legislation in the Senate, tells Whispers that the bill would also require the GAO to share the findings of its report on the DHS purchases with Congress. Officials of the Department of Homeland Security have denied both Whispers and lawmakers that it is stockpiling ammunition. The Associated Press reported in February that the DHS wanted to buy more than 1.6 billion rounds of ammunition, but DHS officials testified last week it was only planning to buy up to 750 million. Well, shit, that's still a lot of damn ammo. So, hey, let's see what happens with this. This is great news. Hopefully we can keep the pressure on and we can get the information. I mean, just get them to stop, because we'll back down when they back down. Okay, chill out. All right, check it out. Keep it up. And it's a comment. I will put the link to this little article in the descriptions. All right, guys, go to YouTube.
Knuckle Pop.